Okay, we're going to start by peeling some potatoes. I'm using yellow gold potatoes today because there's different kinds of potatoes. There's starchy potatoes and there's waxy potatoes. And apparently these sit in the middle between the two, so it's a good compromise. You may notice that I have a plastic bag inside my pan, and the purpose of that is so I don't have to clean up a real mess with the potato peelings all over the place. They're going in the bag, and then that bag's going in the trash. As you can see, it's pretty easy to clean up after we peel the potatoes. You just put them in the bag, tie the bag off, and put it in the trash. What we're going to do now is rinse the potatoes, then we'll cut them up, put them in the pot, and put them on the burner. You should try to make the potato pieces somewhat uniform in size so that they will cook at pretty much the same rate. Now we're going to put some water on these. And we'll put a little salt in with the potatoes. Maybe a teaspoon or so. And then we're going to let them cook until they're soft enough to mash. I'll be back. Okay, now the potatoes are out of the boiling water and I've drained them off. And what we're going to do now is just dry them out in a frying pan for just a couple of minutes. So we'll stir them around a little bit. Okay, they look pretty dry, so we're going to call that good. And we'll put them in a bowl. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of minced onion. Then we're going to add, to start with, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then we're going to take our masher and we're going to mash that all together. And we're going to add another tablespoon of butter. And then we're going to add some heavy cream, just enough to loosen it up to be the consistency we want. Let's try that. We want a little more. And that looks pretty good. Okay, then we're going to put them in an 8x8 baking dish. which should be just big enough. Then we're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven until they're browned on the top. And I'll be back when that's done. Okay, the potato is done and out of the oven. Let me get a little taste of it. That's very good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. You might like this video, by the way.